In primetime news this evening, grief on campus. U.S. student found dead in her room.
Thieves targeting Aki village in Portmore, St. Catherine.
And mother seeking answers following the death of her baby. Good evening and welcome to primetime news. A very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Love.
And I'm Dwayne Anderson. Later in the business news, we'll tell you why the Bank of Jamaica had to intervene in the foreign exchange market today.
And guess what, Dwayne? It's Thursday. Jermaine Brown is here to give us a preview of what's to come in the big show.
Thanks, Anthony. Well, you know, the reggae boys were in the spotlight this week, and it's now the turn for the reggae girls. However, their squad is missing one big name. We'll tell you who a bit later on.
Now, there's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question. Well, just before we go to the feedback question, we need to bring in Romain for the weather. Romain, what's happening in the weather?
Thanks, Dwayne. Now, we do have shower and thunderstorm activity across, especially eastern sections of the island tonight, going into tomorrow, and we are expecting wet conditions across most of the island this weekend. I'll let you know more in the weather report and forecast.
All right, looking forward to hear about that. Now, there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
Now, this evening we're asking,
what do you make of the improvements recorded by students doing the grade 4 primary exit profile PEP exams?
Share comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay with us. The Primetime News Package returns right after this break.